Behold, the Envision. Because I envision to have everything being torn apart in this car. Now, the back bumper. Because I'm pretty sure you got to take that out to get that taillight out. Why? Let's find out. Step one, open sesame. Step two, pop this guy out. Let me show you. See? Tools in my tool list. You can probably do this by hand. Don't lose that. Now, there is little guides right here that will get these out. And then when you pop this out, let me show you. Get this guy out. What you're fighting is a clip. There you go. That puppy right there. That's what you're fighting. So, let's get the bumper off. 1, 2, and like the front, we're going to pop the side panel off to see what's behind that. Same with this side. Let's begin. So as per usual, everything in this car sucks. See that clip right there? I use this guy because I didn't want to break it. It just does not want to play nice. See? You sit there and fight with this thing. It just doesn't want to play nice, see? It doesn't want to pop. So pulling this guy back, and a tool like this, you're pushing in both of these little guys right here. You see? Following? Keep going, because you got another 3 more. More safety clips, because we just don't want 6-year-olds taking apart these clips. See that? Take it out. Squeeze as hard as possible to pull this puppy out. Oh yeah, fun stuff. So we got 7 mil and what looks to be another 7 mil. And let's see if that pops out, which I don't think so. I think that stays. And this one pops out. Let's keep going. Let's get the other side out. Get these Torx out. So with a tool like this, armed with a drill like this, and a T15, that's what we got. Our arsenal. To get this guy out. And this one's already taken out. Don't know why. The other side did have both right there, safely on the ground. Take that one out and that one, just to be on the safe side. Looks like it needed to be done anyway. See how it's pulling? Now, just like the front, we have 572 Torx. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's not too bad. Since we are dummies, we fell for a dummy. This is just a dummy. Looks like it's just a insert that does nothing. Keeps them both together. So this one had to be removed. This one, skip, remove, and leave that one. Why? They're just pieces of plastic. Keep them both balanced and bumper together. So, start to pull. Pull. She said, not yet. No. We got another screw right there. So let's get her up with our handy dandy contraption, which is right here and right here. And with some brute squad, you are the brute squad. I am the brute squad. We pull. See what I mean? Get behind here with your handy dandy tools. Ow. And you pull. Come on. 2 hands is better than 1. You sort of want to pull up so it gets it unclipped. Now this thing's probably going to fall in my hands, so let's get this thing ready and pull her off. More security clips, because a 6-year-old's going to get back behind here and pull this puppy out. More security clips, because a 6-year-old's going to come back here and pull this puppy out. Look. Why? Why, man? Just like the front, make sure it's pulled all the way out with a handy dandy tool like this. Of course. Squeeze and pull. 1 hand, 2 hand. 2 hand. I actually like that look. It looks so off-road. But there's the bumper. Doo-doot. Doo-doot. Doot. See that? I like this look. Say I got a crossbar for like off-road. That'd be awesome. Anyway, like it, don't like it, share it, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.